it. Oh! Was that someone at the window? I should check. No! What are we checking? At least it's not like completely dark. But still. Maybe that man just wants to keep me safe. Nobody's here. Maybe it was my imagination. What the fuck? Oh my god, that's so scary. Uncover what? What truth? It could be on mouth washing. We'll trail further.